So guys, I'm doing a custom throttle body or accelerator cable, throttle body cable wire, however you guys want to call it. I took away the battery, intake, the down pipe to turbo, charge pipe, whatever people want to call it. And I took away the throttle body, which is right here. Here's a bracket. This is the OEM wire that's discontinued. So for all you guys that need to customize your own wire, get a universal kit. I went with the lokar universal kit, and I just adjusted some things. Well, for the OEM part, I'm trying to do everything by hand. This goes right here. Then I had the little wire going across, and it sits right here, so it pulls it. And back here, this was going on the firewall right there. But now I just took away that. Here's that lokar universal kit. I already put it on there, and as you can see, this little red ball comes with the lokar universal kit, and this little plastic, the spring and the little stopper is all OEM. I took that from the OEM cable wire and I added it to the lokar, so it's more or less still OEM with the twist. So right now I'm just gonna put the throttle body back, run the wire. This is the new one. I obviously need the little nut to put it back in there, and it comes with this. It comes with this, the lokar kit. Then I have to go something like this. And the wire's just gonna go through. Sorry guys, it's just I'm doing it one hand. But you guys get the picture. The wire goes through there. I'll show you guys right now when I'm done. Just to let you guys know, guys, there's only two 10mm bolts on the throttle body. Pretty easy. Comes with the little flange. Make sure you save it or buy a new one. Mine was in good shape. I just saved it. I'm going to throw it back on there right now. That's it. Just to let you guys know, I took away the OEM little ball that goes on the butterfly on the little throttle body. I drilled it and I tapped both ends and I put set screws. So once I put the new lokar kit in there, I'm gonna keep pulling it, and I drilled a hole on the plastic. So I'm gonna just pull it through there and keep adjusting it, and with the set screws it's gonna go like this. With the set screws I just tighten it on and off, and I want to keep pulling the string to my liking. Something like that. Then the wire. You guys get me? Boom. So when I'm adjusting it, right now when I put the bracket right here, keep adjusting it, and then with the set screw, tightening it. I'm gonna tighten the set screw here real good, and then I'm gonna put an additional stopper here, so it has one stop here and one stop here, 2 stops just in case if one goes wrong. The other one's there to back it up. Here's the finished product, guys. Going through here, OEM clip, put some zip ties there. It goes through there. Put washers on there, and it goes perfectly here. Other side, pull it. There's a little mechanism I told you. Plus, I added a little emergency stop.